Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have these cubes which I got today, and I got these cubes with QiYi actually. We met each other and I got these cubes where we met at speedcube.com.au. So let's go with the Wingy first. Get out of here. So a really nice looking box for this cube, which is really nice addition. If you take out the cube, it's very lubey out of the box. I just made it a bit darker and you can see all the lube. Okay, there's still a bit of lube in it, but that doesn't really matter. Let's get to first turns. Whoa. So at speedcube.com.au it felt a bit different, but this one feels much more premium. Maybe because at speedcube.com.au is like much more broken in and people like drop their cube a lot, and plus the magnets are much stronger in the one I got. So I'm going to be using this for Melbourne Summer 2021. It's the only reason why I got this cube, is so that I can use it for the comp. Now I am like sub 15, so I'm not that good, and this is just like my very first solve on a Wingy and a concave cube, so this will be a bit bad. This is the OL, and then so the very bad first layer. So yeah. Now to the Valk 3M. This is what I'm most excited about, since it will be my next main 3x3. I did some testing over there and checked which one was most suitable for my turning style, and it was a Valk. So here's a Valk 3M with the really cool, nice looking box again. So I got the same experience from the Valk 2. I'm guessing there's no Valk sticker, I think. But again, we got lots of Matt's Valk stuff, and this thing which I can use to wipe down the lube of this Wingy. I already have that because I got the Valk 2. I'll just put these back. If you want to see like what this is, it's basically just the same thing as the Valk 2M unboxing. Okay, there's lots of lube, and it's like very hard to, like when I touch it, your hands get all lubey. So the colors are like pretty vibrant actually. Alright, first turns now. Oh my god. Okay, it feels much better than the one at the shop. I think it is, yeah, it is pretty good tensions. It doesn't reverse cut yet though. This will definitely be my OH main, that's for sure. So yeah, the Valk would probably be my main now, because it's much more stable than the Tengen. Okay, with break-in, this is actually becoming really nice. Okay, this is probably my two-hand main now. And corner cuts really well, but I might need to loosen it a bit more. The magnets are strong enough for me able to still do this move, because sometimes I can't do that move. I can't do it on the RCM 2020. So yeah, I can do like weird finger tricks on it, which is nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you.